This is a hike that I did on October 6, 2018 with my hiking club. The hike location was in the Black Mountain range of North Carolina. The highlight of this hike was the Black Mountain Crest Trail. This trail crosses over multiple peaks that are each over 6,000 feet. The trail is known to be one of the toughest on the east coast of the United States. We did not do the entire length of the Black Mountain Crest Trail on our hike, as doing so requires a shuttle. Our hike leader figured out a way to make the Black Mountain Crest Trail part of a loop hike. This loop hike is easier than doing the entire length of the Black Mountain Crest Trail, but it is still plenty tough. We used the somewhat remote and extremely steep Woody Ridge Trail to start the hike and to reach the Black Mountain Crest Trail. We headed north on the Black Mountain Crest Trail and then took a user trail to Silo Knob, which has an elevation of 6,327 feet. We climbed over 3,100 feet in the first 3 miles of this hike to reach the summit of Silo Knob. We left Silo Knob and headed back to the Black Mountain Crest Trail. We went south on the Black Mountain Crest Trail and crossed over the summit of Winter Star. Winter Star's elevation is 6,203 feet. We continued south until we reached the Colbert Ridge Trail at Deep Gap. We made a steep descent down the Colbert Ridge Trail and then took a series of disused Forest Service roads back to the starting point of the hike. It is really easy to get turned around in this section, as there are several Forest Service roads that crisscross and none of them are marked. The hike was 10.8 miles with 3,800 feet of elevation gain. All right, let's get to the video.
Looks like we're gonna have a dog join us. All right, everybody all set?
All set.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So here we go. Gonna be climbing about 3,000 feet of elevation gain in the first 3 miles.
That's some big rock.
It is a big rock.
Very good.
Don't lose.
No, there's probably 3 layers.
All right, we're a third of the way in. 4.
3/4 of a mile, 515 feet of elevation gain. Okay, 1.39 miles and 1,140 feet of elevation gain. Climb, climb, climb. When's the hill climbing start?
When we stop.
Is everybody having fun yet?
Yeah. Go ahead, young man.
I know.
Except for our Tom, because he's asleep and he's got the GPS lost.
No, after 1 meter.
I can't go any faster.
Okay, 2.2 miles and 2,529 feet of elevation gain. Last one.
Wow, there's great traffic today. Yeah. Good job. You're
Thank
there.
you, thank you.
Oh, hopefully I made the GoPro.
You did.
But other kids can't.
What you learn as you get older, I found out, I keep on the least lift of your foot possible. Yeah.
Look behind you.
Look behind you.
Look at the clouds.
Ooh, coming. Oh, it's going up. Ooh. Oh, that is a silo now.
Same path.
Tom and I like Dirty Girls.
Oh, yeah.
It was like 3 girls, and they were kind of cute pictures they took.
3 miles, 3,027 feet.
Oh, good. I'm hungry.
I must have scraped it on something. Yeah. Just always keep an eye on them, please. That's a lot of pressure to put on a 20-year-old, I guess.
Anne looks so cute.
Oh,
She looks like so relaxed.
I know. She looks like he looks. The rain may come late and it won't.
Well, I had a cold,
Men's room.
Says there was elections
He's back.
along the tree.
The two sort of side by
It's
side.
only on that one Saturday.
Well, I think it's just posted twice a year.
Winter Star!
Like everywhere. Like we're
That wasn't there last time I was here.
Looks pretty new.
well.
Yeah, it's sunny down in the back.
Yeah, did you see the sunshine
Yeah, the sign wasn't here when we did the support room.
I will tell you. Okay. Sorry, I passed.
Okay, we're leaving the summit of Winter Star.
She said,
They did that part pretty well. Attempt to have no misturns here.
Are you tweeting, Terry?
No, no. Hi. I wasn't going to leave. I was standing right there.
oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were going to. No. Piece of cake. Let's think of it as just a piece of cake.
What is it, Kathy?
I want to look for the
It's a chestnut?
American chestnut.
You think it's American?
Well, the champion tree for South Carolina used to be in Paris Mountain State Park, but it looks like people have been going up to look at it.
Oh, which one is it? Which one is it?
This dark one that's the biggest in the state. Yeah.
Oh, that's yeah. They usually go only about 15 feet or so, and then the light hits them.
Oh, how neat.
Holy. That's it. And that's you sure that's an American chestnut?
Here's one that's
I'll be dang.
They're very
That's
Oh,
30
no.
feet high. Yeah, we've got some in our neighborhood.
yeah, but like this could actually grow into another. All these, you know, smartly.
Is that the only chestnut tree, Kathy, you see right in here? You have a shot, actually, right? There's some kind of
Yeah, they have chemical.
treatment. They actually put stuff on the roots and the bark, and that'll keep them away.
I feel like Johnny Appleseed.
Yeah,
Charlie
I'm
Chestnut.
not sure, but I feel like with the little chestnut.
I
don't think so.
Well, that was great find. Get a little extra elevation change. Mom, it pays to sleep.
You got him recorded? Get lost.
I got it.
Have us far to go.
100 feet vertical.
You enjoying this extra little bit of elevation gain, everybody?
This might put us over the top to that 4,000.
We made it back.
Good job, everybody. I'm back. Everybody's back.
Great hike, Jerry.
Hey, thanks,
Good
Tom. I
job.
appreciate you sweeping. That
No
helps
problem.
A lot.
No problem.
Thanks for the heavy life.
Good job, everybody.
Such a great hike. No.